Yeah, good evening. Welcome to the Nifty daily view for 17 March 2015. Now first let's look at the hourly chart. So if you have a look at it, and then we broke this, what you might say, a rising wedge with 5 legs on the upside, and this was broken on 9th March, and then we retested the lower end of the rising wedge, and now we are drifting lower, but the intensity of the selling was not seen today. Rather, it was a muted day, and going by the daily candlestick pattern, it was a little bit, we can call an indecision day. So till we remain below these two lows of 8680, Nifty would remain in pressure. So this if you look at this chart, so this is the long-term channel, the blue long-term rising channel. So we still remain in this channel, and this was the previous high of 8582. Yes, 8623. So 8623, this was the previous high, so we are somewhere around that. And if you see, there can be a possibility of parallel rising channel also. This comes around level of 8590. So this is a very minute support around 8590 to 8620. Otherwise we are likely to head to this 8450 8500 mark that I have already mentioned on Friday. So that's why we have bought some puts with a small stop loss. Plus, if you see, the low of this candle also is 8470. So there are a lot of significant supports between 8450 and 8500. Before that, one minor support is at 8590 to 8620. So this is one scenario that is possible. But if you see, the larger picture of long-term uptrend is still intact. Okay, so if you see this, till this rising parallel channel is not broken, we again should bounce back from 8450 to might be again to the top end of the channel 9200. So that is to be seen, but that is a possibility. So on the OI front, if you see this OI data, then one interesting thing that was visible during the day today is the accumulation in 8500 puts, the addition of shares, and they both have reached almost 50 lakh shares. So this is a huge support if you look at the OI data, like what we discussed in 9000 call. What happened to 9000 call? Around 50 plus lakh shares being added. The same thing is happening in 8400 put and 8500 put. So even if Nifty goes to around our support zone of 8450 8500, and this OI is not reduced to a certain level, then we can see a very sharp bounce back also. So going by today's trade, it seems that intensity of selling has lowered a bit, but that doesn't rule out that we might fall another 150 points. Considering that we have FOMC meet on Wednesday, the effect will be seen on Wednesday, so we can have another muted day tomorrow, and then according to FMC, the result of FMC meet, Nifty can bounce back also. So currently 8450 8500 should be looked at, and don't create huge shorts Otherwise, or don't create huge shorts, and look for bottom fishing around these levels, so that we can also have the scenario. So if you accumulate in this zone 8450 8500, there are chances of another bounce back to 9900, so that can be utilized. So that's it. Thank you.